Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Android phone's app icons have suddenly turned gray and cannot be opened, it is usually caused by active screen time limits, a custom wallpaper theme, or corrupted launcher shortcuts. I will show you exactly how to restore their full color and fix your apps right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason for grayed out apps is that you've reached your daily screen time limit or your phone's focus mode has temporarily paused them. Open your main Settings app and scroll down to tap on Digital Well-being or Screen Time. Look for the focus mode option and turn it completely off if it is currently active. Next, open your App Timer menu to see if your gray apps have a usage limit set. Disable the timer or delete the restriction, which will immediately restore the app's color and allow you to open it again. Next, if your apps work perfectly fine but they just look gray and monochrome on your home screen, you likely enabled Android's Material You themed icons feature. This feature tries to match app colors to your background but often leaves unsupported apps looking flat and gray. Go to your home screen, tap and hold your finger on any empty space, and select Wallpaper and Style from the pop-up menu. Scroll down and find the toggle switch labeled Themed Icons. Turn this switch completely off. Your phone will instantly refresh, and all of your applications will return to their vibrant original colors. Finally, if you recently restored your phone from a backup or moved apps to an SD card, your home screen might be stuck displaying broken gray shortcut icons. Open your Settings app and tap on Apps. Search for your phone's default launcher, which is usually named Pixel Launcher, One UI Home, or System Launcher. Tap on it to open the App Info page, then select Storage and Cache or Storage. Hit the Clear Cache button to wipe out the corrupted visual data. Restart your device, and the operating system will rebuild fresh, working shortcuts for all of your installed applications. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.